Hey, what's up guys? Joseph Fountain here. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Now before I say anything, just understand, do your own research. Everything that I'm talking about in this video, which is not a lot, but it's just of my own opinion. So I just got a question for y'all today. I need y'all help. So what do y'all think about Netflix? Have y'all seen how Netflix has been skyrocketing? Now, I'm not really comfortable thinking about or even really talking about Netflix because of I had two opportunities where I could have invested and I missed both of them. One was understandable, the other one not understandable. The first time I seen Netflix, it was like a $3, $4 stock. But during that time, Netflix was delivering DVDs through mail. Didn't seem too much like of a good idea for DVDs to come to the mail and then get mailed back. I just saw them having a lot of damages. It didn't really seem all that viable. It didn't seem like it was something that was really all that sustainable, because you're putting a lot of care into the consumer, the customer, to mail you something back. And I mean, there's just so many different things that could cost them money during that. So of course, didn't really think about it back then, during that time, which wasn't that long ago, like 10 years ago. The on-demand thing wasn't all that, wasn't really around like that. People were still watching DVDs on your cell phone. TV hadn't developed. You couldn't really watch TV or get a good internet connection from your cell phone if you were trying to use it, because it just hadn't advanced during that time. So not seeing that trend of how we do things today, it just wasn't in my mind, and it wasn't in most of us, most of our minds, obviously, right? The second time I looked at Netflix, it was like $100 a share. They were doing pretty good. I had some other investments that done really well, so like I wasn't really thinking about it, but I had contemplated, well, maybe I should start buying a share here or there or something like that, just to kind of build up because of the way things were going with technology. But I dropped the ball, and now look at Netflix, $420 a share. $420 a share. It's been up over $230 in the last year. That's crazy. And now with the way that Netflix is doing with the movies, they're even expanding into international movies. Like they have really worked hard on their platform, and they're definitely catering to the consumer. So I'd love to get in some numbers, but we don't even need to get into numbers, because all we have to do is look at how we like to be entertained. And because of that, companies like Netflix are doing very well, and you see the changes in social media. So now, me personally, I think Netflix is a good, strong buy. I don't see where the way we consume entertainment changes. I only see it advancing. Just like I was talking about social media, you see how now you got IG, TV, and all these different things. So the way we like to watch TV is just moving further in that direction. And companies like Netflix are leading the way. But I would love to hear what you think. Are you buying? Are you holding if you have it? Or are you selling and taking some profits? So let me know in the comments. As always, thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. I don't even want to calculate how much I could have made from 10 years ago if we just think about now, if I invested in Netflix when it was $3 or $4. I don't even want to think about it. I don't want to think about it.